at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys. What you talking about?
All young men with suits and ties, just sitting in the crowd smoking big cigars. I hope you're ready for what's coming now. I'm the one, I'm the lady that will bring it down. There's a joint on the corner where the big boys play, where the whiskey's running like the rivers by the bay. I'm for the booze and bass. I'm the one, I'm the lady that'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place.
Okay, now, from the beginning. There's a joint on the corner where the big boys play, where the whiskey's running like the rivers, but they all never come for the booze and bass. I'm the one, I'm the lady that'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place. Okay, now.
Are you ready?
Yo, what's up everybody? We are here at the Blue Beacon in West Memphis, Arkansas. We have got to get this nasty truck and trailer washed. And as you can see, man, this thing is just a wreck. Man, this truck is so freaking filthy and dirty. I mean, look at this mess. This truck is awful looking. Man, this thing is just bad. Look how bad it is. Fuel tanks are awful. It's nighttime now, so you can't really see just how bad it is. There you go. Now you can tell just how bad it is. But yeah, y'all, we're here in West Memphis, Arkansas. I'm here at the Blue Beacon. I'm gonna get this washed and head over to the Petro, then take a 10-hour break, and in the morning gonna have a 3-axle alignment done. I don't know what's with these rough roads lately. Y'all know the roads have just been awful lately. Any driver out here knows the roads have been shit lately. So all of a sudden, over the last week, it's gotten progressively worse. But man, I let go of this drill, boom, that shit wants to go dart off to the right. So yeah, oh my God. This is how dirty this truck and trailer is, man. I really don't want to spend the money to wash it, but it needs it after all this snow. I was thinking it was going to rain, but luckily it has not rained here. So yeah, I'm definitely going to get this thing washed. This is just as filthy. Man, it's awful. Yeah, it's about time to get this washed. Hope he'll do a good job. It's actually kind of silly here. But like I was saying, we're gonna get up in here. Uh-oh. Got some Icon for Hire jamming. But you know, we can't play it loud because, you know, YouTube will hit it for a copyright strike. You know, you can own the music. Never understood that. You can buy music, you can freaking buy a CD, but if you listen to it and you put on a video, all of a sudden copyright infringement. But yet, if you play it in your car and you're listening to it, I mean, you know, you're not trying to monetize off of just the song. You're trying to monetize off your video. Off your video, not whatever's playing in the background, which is stupid. You gotta love whiny babies. Lars from freaking Metallica, he's the crybaby who started all this bull with Napster. Lars Ulrich, you are a whiny baby little beep. That's what we're gonna say. You're the beep. Freaking jerk. But yeah, it's been a long week, been a long day. This load here. Paper load, luckily, she told me 44,000 pounds of paper headed from, the broker originally told her Meridian, but then it ended up being Demopolis. Man, that's a little distance. We're going up to Clinton, Iowa, which is 43 miles away from Iowa 80. I'd love to do a reset at Iowa 80, but I don't want to have to start Monday morning 45 miles away. So I'm going to go to where it delivers. It's a Rock 10 paper plant right there by it. And luckily, there is a truck stop literally 1 block away from that Rock 10, which works for me. there's a Burger King actually in the parking lot up at the front of the property. Well, I'm off to the side, so that's cool. I can have Burger King for Sunday. I can drop the trailer Sunday, and actually, like another block over is a Walmart. So that, hey, there we go. That's the best of both worlds. I can drop the trailer, go to Walmart, go back and hit some Burger King, and I'm good to go for Sunday. I did my laundry this past weekend, so I'm good to go until next weekend. I usually save up for 2 weeks worth of laundry. That way I can go ahead and, I've got plenty of clothes. I've probably got about 15, 20 pairs of jeans on the truck. I think I've got about 50 shirts on the truck, probably 50 pairs of underwear and socks on the truck. So I'm good on clothes. I can go weeks without doing laundry. But yeah, hopefully they do a good job on the truck. It needs it. Like I say, I hate to spend the money, but every driver needs to get his truck clean. You can't ride around in a nasty truck forever. I've been waiting to try to get out of all the snow and crap. I looked at the forecast. If they send me back out to freaking Salt Lake, it's supposed to snow like Tuesday. Tuesday, I think. And if I unload Monday, reload Monday, if they send me back out that way, that means I'll be hitting there, reload on Monday, then drive all day Monday, drive all day Tuesday. I drive through that mess on Tuesday. So I hope that's not the case. Hopefully they'll run me somewhere around and let the snow, or maybe it won't be that bad. I think it's called frozen mix or something or another. But I like to get at least a week on a good truck wash clean. I mean, what driver wants to spend $100 getting a truck and trailer wash just to turn around and say, "Look, guess what? Now you're right back in the freaking salt and the sand and all the other bull crap, and now your truck is completely brown again." But it is what it is, y'all. I was gonna actually get it washed this past Tuesday, but life happened, which I will go into detail in another video. So y'all stay tuned and let's see how good they did on the truck. He's in here. Here's the inside of this place. Oh, she's definitely looking better so far, y'all. They do need to catch that right there, though. That is a spot where they will have to come back and definitely make sure
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up. Don't be scared. aftermath. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up, don't be scared.